Welcome to Jiangxi Taurus Technology, a leading manufacturer dedicated to adjustable pedestal systems and landscape building solutions. With nearly a decade of global export experience, we have become a trusted partner for architects, distributors, and construction professionals worldwide. Our 15,000 square meter production base integrates an independent injection molding factory and a stainless steel fabrication workshop, enabling us to control quality from raw material to final assembly. Equipped with advanced machinery and an experienced technical team, Taurus ensures strong production capacity, fast delivery cycles, and consistent product quality across large-scale orders. We carry a comprehensive product portfolio covering adjustable pedestal systems, tile leveling systems, edging systems, paving grids, and drainage solutions for professional applications. Our brand is protected by multiple trademarks and product patents, reflecting our commitment to innovation, original design, and long-term global development. All manufacturing processes follow strict quality standards and ISO-certified procedures, ensuring stable performance and long service life in demanding environments. We support full OEM and ODM customization from engineering design to branding and packaging, helping clients strengthen competitiveness in their markets. Whether for rooftop terraces, public plazas, decking platforms, or landscape spaces, Taurus delivers reliable, versatile, and future-ready solutions. Choose Taurus Technology, your partner, in elevating every project from the ground up.